guys, this jellovlogs is.
Yeah, I'm here with jellovlogs.
Welcome to my first ever vlog. I'm here with one of the best YouTubers I've ever watched.
Matty Vlogs.
Yeah.
I'm
so
we're
close
going
to
into
subscribers. Please subscribe.
we're going into a construction site over there, so yeah.
Oh,
See, the fangirls are gone.
I'm pretty damn scared though.
Yeah, people can come anytime.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll be back to you when we're at the construction site. See you.
I need to close down.
Alright guys, we're at the construction site now. And the fangirls have come. Except of the one on the Segway right there. She's not a fangirl. Oh crap, my phone is low on batteries. Oh god damn.
They'll tell you.
Go and hide, go and hide. Oh crap. I pressed the mute button on accident. This thing feels cool. I fall. Good grammar. This thing is awesome. You're Mankey joke. He's pissing. He's pissing. On a goddamn video.
I turned mine.
Oh shit, there's a car. Shit, there's a car. I think it's coming in here. Alright, let's get up on top of this again. Oh, yeah, we messed up in the video, so just shush, keep quiet. Stop screaming. No, don't actually. Alright, getting up on the high one. Oh shit, this is scary. Ah, the dog's coming. Really cared. Alright. This is scary up here. Oh my god. Alright guys, there's somebody outside. Yeah, I told you there was a car coming. Yeah, I told you. I knew it was going to Brennan's. Anyway guys, that's it for going into the construction site. Hey guys, so let's go this way. Alright guys, so we went into the construction site. I'll go on the highest amount of bricks. Pretty scary. I don't like heights. Sean's screaming out, Dylan. Oh look! Here are the fanboys! The fanboys are coming, lads.
Guys! Subscribe and make a new channel.
See, these are fanboys right here. Aren't you?
Yeah.
See that? Lads, fans all over the place. Look, that's another fanboy. That's another fanboy.
No, you don't.
Yeah, fanboy.
Why not here? Oh. Right,
What should we do for the video now?
Because you don't exist.
No. This is make a vlog. Let's walk around.
Yeah,
guys, so
I saved a lot of people twice today.
good to be back in my channel. I didn't upload for
It's
a
good
while
to make
now.
a new channel. I'm gonna make just a lot of accounts. Why? I died.
Oh, he's playing Splix.
That's pretty bad idea.
Oh, you're class. I know.
Reaction to Dylan playing Splix.io here, lads.
Fanboy playing splits like that, yeah.
He's dead.
Yeah,
Good
I am.
lad. And you're dead.
Hell! These are all fangirls and fanboys, except of her. She's not.
Right, anyway. These are all fandos. No, yes, no.
Yeah, anyway, guys, see you soon.
I'm not fando.
I'll be back soon.
He's stealing my stuff.
See you soon. Playing with puddles.
I killed myself. I'm just
Yeah.
cleaning my. Wait.
Try and breach the door. Yeah, ignore her.
First shout out goes to my vlogs, boys.
Yep. So we're doing some shout outs.
Next shout out goes
Two shout outs go to Jelloman, jellovlogs, to Football Fin 9898.
Yeah. We took a break on YouTube.
Yeah, which is
You're gonna be so happy.
pretty sad.
No, don't subscribe.
Who else? Who else?
Lee Walker, shout out.
Lee Walker, alright.
David Moore, shout out.
David Moore.
Jack Vaughn, shout
Jack
out.
Vaughn. Don't whack your head off the bench.
Oh my god.
Your girlfriend got your back. Your girlfriend got your back.
Hazel, can you not just put it like that?
Alright, who else?
Here. Abby Smith, shout out.
Matty Vlogs, shout out.
Shout out, yeah. My vlog, shout out. And his 3 other
You have a
email
channel?
accounts.
Yeah.
Oh,
what's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
1061, shout out. And
No,
Alicia
it's
Walney, shout out.
No, don't do that.
What is it?
No, don't
Alicia
do
Walney.
Don't do the one.
What is it?
Alicia
It's
Walney.
Alicia Walney, yeah.
Alright, shout out to Alicia Walney, my sister.
Yeah.
Fangirl, sorry I didn't say sister. Fangirl.
Yeah, but I am
And
his
yeah.
sister.
Anyways, guys,
That's
guys.
it for the shout out.
Thank
And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And see y'all later.